Hi guys, welcome back to part two of currency conversion. Just a quick recap on where we're at. There's kind of two steps. Yeah, if you're buying something online or you're taking your money into the foreign exchange office and you want to figure out how much you're going to get for that, there's really two steps. The first thing is you need to get a number to multiply first. Yeah, and that's what this formula in the middle here kind of tells you. And the exchange rate that you do first is the end value that you don't know. Yeah, the end value that you don't know. So if we're working with this second example on the right-hand side here, we don't know how many American dollars we're going to get in the end. And so therefore the American currency exchange goes first. So we're taking our $1 Australian, yeah, but that one goes second in the equation. And this time, if $1 Australian were to buy 50 US cents, well, then it's the 50 cents that goes first. We divide that by the $1 Australian, we get that number. That's step one. Yeah, that's not going to tell you how many American dollars you're going to get. You then need to multiply whatever that answer is with the whole end value currency that you do know, which in this instance is the 1,000 Australian dollars that you're taking into the foreign exchange office. Okay, so hopefully that process makes sense. We're going to practice this with activity 2. So that same document on sector, you'll see there is a new table. Okay, so here it's the same scenario as the second one. You're taking that 1,000 Australian dollars into the exchange rate, into the exchange currency exchange kiosk. What this activity is going to get you to practice is, well, how many American dollars are we going to get if the exchange rate to the American dollar is going to be different? Okay, so it's still, for each one, it's still, you're taking in that $1,000. The calculation is the same. Yeah, you're going to take the American exchange rate, divide that by 1, and then multiply that answer by your 1,000 Australian dollars to figure out how many American dollars you're going to get back. Okay, so pause this video, go over to that activity and fill that one out as well. And I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully that is starting to make sense on how we calculate exchange rates. Now let's save you some money. Let's just say you are going to buy this amazing t-shirt that I found here online. And we're going to try and put what we've learned here into practice. And the idea is we're going to get you to try to save some money. The world we live in is a global world, and you guys will be buying stuff online, and maybe some of you in the future will be selling stuff online too. And it's important for you to know how you can harness the understanding of currency to save money. Okay, so you found this amazing t-shirt online and you want to buy it for some reason. There are 4 countries that sell this shirt, and only 4 countries. And you need to figure out which one is going to be cheaper in Australian dollars. Now, before we go on, the first thing you've got to figure out is which currency is going to go first in that division. Okay, who can remember, or can you remember, which one goes first? You're going to, and which one do we know? Okay, so we know how much this shirt is going to be in the overseas currencies. So head back to the sector document. I think I've put even the formula in there. If you've forgotten which one goes first, then you can scroll back in the video or even go back to video 1 and relearn these ideas. Yeah, that's a beauty of having these videos, is you can go back and go over and over and over. You got to learn something 3 times for it to actually make sense. So what this activity will do, it's the same shirt, it's the same, it's different exchange rates. And what you've got to do is find out which one is cheapest in Australian dollars. We don't know how much this shirt is in Australian dollars. You've got to figure it out. All right, and once you've done this activity 3, this is really important that you save it. If you're on the iPad, you can just take a screenshot of this and then save it to your camera roll and then upload it to sector under assessments for VCAL Numeracy. You'll find there's a new one in there, VCAL Numeracy. I think they call it VCAL Mathematics actually. and then under the currency assessment that you'll see I've put in there. Okay, once you've done that, then you've done the exchange rate module. Well done, everyone. Any questions? Feel free to email. Otherwise, good luck.